The laziest way to make money online for beginners. Earn $100 a day or more. Are you a beginner looking for the easiest way to make money online? You're not alone. Many people dream of earning a decent income with minimal effort while enjoying the freedom to work from anywhere. In this article, we'll explore various online money-making methods, evaluating them based on their learning curve, fulfillment ease, scalability, startup costs, and risk level. Let's dive in and discover the laziest options to help you earn over $100 a day. Freelancing allows you to leverage your skills, like video editing, graphic design, or copywriting, to work directly with clients. This method provides great flexibility, letting you choose your projects and set your schedule. However, the learning curve is around 6 months to start earning good money, as you'll need to build a portfolio. Pros: fulfillment moderate. Client management can be challenging. Scalability limited, as your income is tied to your time. Startup capital minimal, mostly time investment. Risk level low, but income can be inconsistent initially. Conclusion: freelancing is a viable option but requires time and effort upfront. Airbnb arbitrage involves leasing a property long-term and renting it out short-term on platforms like Airbnb. This method can generate passive income without owning property, making it appealing for those who want to avoid substantial investment. Pros: learning curve. 1 to 3 months, mostly for understanding local laws and finding properties. Fulfillment medium, some guest management required. Scalability high, add more properties without a cap. Startup capital, $5,000 to $15,000 needed for leases and furnishings. Risk level high due to upfront costs and market fluctuations. Conclusion: while potentially lucrative, Airbnb arbitrage requires a higher financial commitment. Starting an eBay shop allows you to sell anything from vintage clothing to electronics. It's straightforward, making it perfect for beginners. Learning curve. Just 2 weeks to set up your shop. Fulfillment medium, you manage shipping and customer service. Scalability high, unlimited products can be sold. Startup capital, around $500 for initial stock. Risk level medium, as you may invest in items that don't sell. Conclusion: eBay shops are a relatively lazy option that can be started with minimal investment. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You don't handle any inventory or customer service, making it a low-pressure way to earn. Pros: learning curve, very short, just a few days to set up. Fulfillment, easy. Once links are shared, your job is done. Scalability, very high, promote multiple products simultaneously. Startup capital, at least $250 for initial marketing efforts. Risk level low, with minimal costs involved. Conclusion: affiliate marketing is one of the laziest ways to make money online with great scalability. Setting up an AI-built Shopify store is incredibly user-friendly. With tools like Build Your Store, you can automate product selection, inventory management, and fulfillment. Pros: learning curve, practically zero. The AI guides you through setup. Fulfillment, very easy. Automates shipping and inventory. Scalability unlimited, easily add new products. Startup capital, only $1.99 to start. Risk level, almost none. Minimal upfront investment. Conclusion: an AI Shopify store is the ultimate lazy method for beginners looking to break into e-commerce with little risk. Among the methods discussed, AI Shopify stores stand out as the easiest and most scalable option for beginners aiming to make money online. While freelancing and eBay shops also offer great potential, they require more effort and time. By choosing a method that aligns with your skills and resources, you can start your journey toward earning $100 a day or more with minimal hassle. Happy earning! Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and share.